Nicole, another benefit that comes with a Motor Trend certified vehicle is key replacement. Now, have you ever lost a key or had a key malfunction and quit working? Maybe you ran it through the washing machine or a dog chewed it up or something like that?
Yeah, I've lost a key before.
Okay. Did you replace it?
No.
Did you look into how much it would cost to replace it?
Yeah, that's why I didn't replace it.
How much was it?
It was somewhere around like $300.
Exactly. Those keys can run from $200 to $500. And you know what? Like most people, when someone loses one, they don't pay to have it replaced. They just take better care of their last key.
Yes.
However, you end up paying for that key anyway. You know how?
No.
Well, when you trade or sell your car, the person that buys it is going to expect 2 keys. And if you've only got 1 key, and they know it costs $200, $300, $400, $500 to replace that key, they're going to deduct that from the amount of money they'll pay you for your vehicle. So, for the next 6 months, if you should lose a key, if you should run over a key, if a dog should chew it up, if you run it through the washing machine and it just quits working, we are going to replace that key and key fob for you. We'll also pay for the programming that's required, because those little things are mini computers, those little fobs. I mean, they have chips in them, they need programming. It can be quite expensive. And if you should happen to lose your entire key ring, well, shoot, we'll kick in an additional $200 to replace other keys on your key ring. Now, we'll do this up to twice. Nicole, if you lose more than 2 keys in 6 months, okay, you're on your own. But by the way, if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, make sure you check with our finance department. They'll show you how to extend that key replacement coverage out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. Okay?
Okay.